Hello friends, welcome to my educational channel. Now you are at your pet our care. I am Dr. Sudarshani Dasanayaka, consultant veterinary surgeon from Sri Lanka. Let me introduce today's topic. Today our topic is omega-6 fatty acids for your cats. Let me introduce fatty acids first. Fatty acids are carboxylic chains with an aliphatic chain. Aliphatic chain means they are non-aromatic and organic compounds with open chain structure. Fatty acids can be found as saturated or unsaturated forms. However, mostly found as unbranched chain in nature. Now we are going to classify fatty acids. Fatty acids can be broadly divided into two groups, that is unsaturated fatty acids and saturated fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids again divided into two broad groups, that is monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fatty acids. Each polyunsaturated fatty acids have two ends, that is methyl or omega N and carboxyl N or alpha N. They have two or more cis double bonds in the carbon chain. However, first double bond present at third carbon from omega N we called as omega-3 fatty acids. When the first double bond present at 6 carbon level from omega N we called as omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fatty acids, they belong to polyunsaturated fatty acid group. There are two main omega-6 fatty acids for cats, that is linoleic acid and arachidonic acid. Both are essential for your cats. Now we are going to discuss about linoleic acid. This name came from Latin language. In Latin language, linen means flax, oleic means oil. This substance highly concentrated in flaxseed oil, therefore they named it as linoleic acid. Linoleic acid firstly isolated by F. Sack in 1844 from linseed oil. Chemical formula of linoleic acid C18H32O2. Its molecular weight 280.4 gram per mole. Linoleic acid is colorless to straw color oil. Structure of linoleic acid first identified by T.P. Hilditch and others in 1939. Structure of linoleic acid, it's a carboxylic acid with 18 carbon chain. It has two cis double bonds. First double bond present at 6 carbon from omega N. Linoleic acid firstly synthesized by R.A. Raphael and F. Sonheimer in 1950. Functions of linoleic acid, it's a source of energy. It forms phospholipids and triglycerols. It's a part of membrane phospholipids. It maintains membrane fluidity, especially in epidermal permeability barrier and cell signaling. Linoleic acid requirement for cats. For growth and reproduction, minimum 1.4 gram per 1000 kilocalorie metabolizable energy. That is according to AAFCO 2014. According to AAFCO 2014 recommendation for adult cats for maintenance, minimum 1.4 gram per 1000 kilocalorie metabolizable energy. Linoleic acid deficiency in cats may lead to fatty degeneration of the liver, excessive fat in the kidneys, dystrophic mineralization, especially in adrenal glands, and skin hyperkeratosis. Rich sources of linoleic acids are sunflower oil, safflower oil, corn oil, sesame oil, chicken and eggs. Now we are going to discuss about the second most essential omega-6 fatty acids for your cats, that is arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid isolated and identified by Percival Hartley in 1909. Chemical formula of arachidonic acid C20H32O2. Molecular weight 304.5 gram per mole. Its melting point minus 49.5 degrees Celsius. Structure of arachidonic acid. It's a carboxylic acid with 20 carbon chain. It has 4 cis double bonds. Those double bonds present at 5, 8, 11 and 14 carbon position from alpha N. However, first double bond present at 6 position from omega N. Functions of arachidonic acid in cats. It produces inflammatory response, supports skin growth, enhances reproductive tract function, it enhances gastrointestinal function and helps blood clotting. Arachidonic acid requirement for cats according to AAFCO 2014 for growth and reproduction minimum 0.05 gram per 1000 kilocalorie metabolizable energy. According to AAFCO 2014 recommendation for adult cat maintenance minimum 0.05 gram per kilocalorie metabolizable energy. Arachidonic acid deficiency in cats may lead to poor reproductive performance and insufficient platelet aggregation in cats. Rich sources of arachidonic acids are salmon, sardine, eggs, chicken, pork, beef and milk. In nature, omega-6 fatty acids are abundant. Therefore, supplementation is unnecessary. However, you have to adapt proper omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. According to AAFCO 2014, exact omega-6 to omega-3 ratio is around 30 to 1. When there is imbalance in omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, it will lead to inflammation, allergies, poor coat or skin, overweight and obesity, which lead to joint problems in your cats. Now we are coming to today's question. Today's question, there's a statement. Please indicate whether that statement is true or false in the comments below. Today's statement is omega-6 fatty acids are in the polyunsaturated fatty acid group. 1. It is true statement. 2. It is false statement. Please indicate your response in the comments below. Now we are coming to the end of the presentation. Please leave your comments and answers below. Please subscribe my channel. Sponsorships are cordially welcome. Meet you soon with another valuable episode. Until then, take care. Goodbye.